fare
Salut!
Konnichiwa.
Ciao a tutti.
Many students come into the MA very focused on their languages, thinking that they're going to go through a transfer process from one language to another, and it's part of our job to show them that translation is about so much more than that.
The first few weeks you're a little bit unsure about what you're doing, but you get into the swing of it quite quickly.
It's about considering concepts such as the genre of the text type, the audience they're translating into, the function that the text is going to assume, and they start thinking about translation in a very different way.
Yeah, you just end it with a different approach to the foreign language, I think.
We get students that have always been interested in translation, but we also get quite often students from very different areas, from journalism to more technical areas.
We've got people from lots of different countries and different religions.
And all of this comes together in an amazing ways in class, and we do need all of that to find the most adequate solutions, and that's very exciting to see.
There's a large element of working with translation software.
These tools impose very specific workflows that are quite different from when we used to translate with pen and paper. With the sheer amount of volume of things that we need to translate every day just for the economies to keep running, it's extremely important for students to know how to operate them well, but also how to consider them in context and how to decide when to use them and when not to use them.
We learned how to tackle 4 to 5 tools now. Now it's pretty easy, and I can totally see why people are using these translation tools.
Once you know how to use it, the software becomes part of your routine.
We organize simulated scenarios in which the students can truly experience how it happens in real life.
You learn how to actually work in a translation company by participating in team projects.
So some students assume the roles of project managers, others of translators, of revisers, etc., to experience an entire typical professional workflow. This program in particular is part of the EMT network, the European Masters of Translation network, which for us, of course, it's a clear benchmark of quality. It's accredited by the European Union and offers our students opportunities that other students don't really have in terms of internships and relationship with European institutions.
We have a lot of professionalization talks are useful because we have many experts in the field being invited to the university to give us some suggestions, some insights into how the translation industry works.
It is extremely important for us to maintain this link both with private and public sector partners, but also with NGOs, international organizations such as the European Union and United Nations. Not only to make sure that our training is up to date and updated regularly, but also that our research maintains its relevance.
This university can really provide you with the best experience.
We do want to make sure that these students are prepared to face the industry.
And all the guidance that you need in order for you to be a good translator.
Without losing the sense and the beauty and all the mystique of what language is all about and what translation is all about.
I would say just come.